Hello, welcome to Common Sense Philosophy. Today, we shall be discussing how you can begin to make more money. Welcome back. I'm your host, Akin Adebisi, and on this episode, we shall be discussing how to make more money. And if you are new to making money, how you can begin earning money right away. For a start, let's go over the basic ways by which you can make money. And to really say make money is really a misnomer, because you don't make money, you earn money. So how do you earn money? Let's go over 5 quick ways. Number 1, you can earn money through a generational wealth. If your dad is someone like Dangote or Femi Otedola or any of the billionaires or trillionaires of the world, you will not have much problem with money in your pocket, as your basic finances are met by your family. And as you grow older, your family generally sorts a place for you to carry on the good work and make some good money for yourself. If you don't fall into this category, let's check the other 4 out. Number 2, you can make money by engaging in a business. You can make money by engaging in a business, selling a product, a service, or a combination of both. Selling a product, service, or combination of both requires a number of skills and requires you to do some basic assessment of yourself, the opportunities around you, and the people you know. More on making money via business in the next video. 3, you can make money by working for someone else. Yes, the usual job hunting, sending your CV out to people, working for a corporation, working for a company. You are part of someone else's business. You are part of someone else's business, doing a specialized function in order to earn an income. You can also make money, earn money by engaging in a side hustle or a part-time job, something you do not do on a full-time basis. You do for a while, and it's not a permanent contract. You are engaged in it for a while, you get paid, and you can move on to other things. Number 5, you can earn money through illegal means. The illegal means, the scams and hooks are all out there, both offline and online. A variety of people engaging to make illegal money. I quite advise you not to dabble into that, as this has serious spiritual and criminal consequences. And a bonus, you can as well make money investing. Investing is a skill that you need to learn and master if you want to go this route. So, how do you invest? How do you know the right investment to do? Without adequate information of which investment to make, you run a risk of losing your seed coin, of losing your capital. When investments are rightly done, you can make 100% of your money in a year or less. That's it for today. I do hope you enjoyed this episode of Common Sense Philosophy. I'm your usual host, Akin Adebisi. Remember, there are no obstacles to your greatness, but the obstacles you set yourself. That is our goal at Common Sense Philosophy, to give you tips, techniques, motivation, and inspiration that will help you on your journey to personal and business development. See you next time. Bye-bye.